What a spot. Out by Miranda. Good old New Zealand, eh? Classic. What's up, guys? I thought this would be as good a place as any to do a quick video on the Audi S4. This is going to be 5 things that I hate about my new B8 Audi S4. Thing number 1. This is my biggest peeve. Not the fuel consumption, but the size of the tank. I don't mind having a thirsty car. It is going to be a thirsty car. It's a 3-litre supercharged V6. It's going to be thirsty. But it's got what, like a 15-gallon tank, 60 litres? I hate filling up, and I have to fill up every second day. Sucks. That's the first thing. Now, the second thing that I hate about this car is also kind of the thing that I really like about this car. That's the interior. Don't get me wrong, it's a great interior, but it could definitely have used a spruce up. This car is a 2010, and it's got the same steering wheel. Sure, it's a bit thicker, but it's the same steering wheel as my 2007 Audi A4. Why? Now, while we're in the interior, the third thing that I really don't like. This car's a 2010. They have the ability for Bluetooth, and your phone will pair to it for calls. For calls only. If you want Bluetooth for music streaming, you have to buy an MMI, like Audi bullshit thing to plug into the car, and they only work sometimes. They had Bluetooth in 2010. Why not put it in their S4? I know the S4 is not the top, the RS4 is above it, but it's still like, it's a bit of a flagship, right? Like, why? On another note, why? Seriously, give us Bluetooth. Now for the fourth thing that I hate, this may just be me being really trivial. I'm 5'10", man. I'm not a tall dude. But this boot lid is so damn low. Like, what the hell? And the fifth, definitely trivial thing. That's kind of cool. Kind of slides up. It's kind of nice. But I don't know if you guys have S4s and if you're like me, but I always open it to get shit out of the boot. And I totally forget about it. And then when you're sitting in the driver's seat, your visibility is like non-existent out the rear. Drives me nuts. So unless I suck at maths really bad, I'm pretty sure that's 5 things that I don't like about the Audi S4. I do believe there is way more to love than there is to hate. So it was actually a bit of a tricky one, but that's my list. Those are my 5 things that I don't like. Those are the 5 things that really piss me off and just rub me the wrong way. So feel free to like and subscribe. Follow me for more content on the Audi S4 B8 and B8.5 platforms. If there's anything you guys want to know, anything you want to see, let me know. As a bonus, one last thing. Is it dude there? One last thing. My car in particular, I don't know if it's a common issue, but it's getting rid of coolant somehow. So I was told it was the oil cooler. So I've replaced the oil cooler, spent like $1,500 replacing that. It's like, sweet, it's going to be awesome, it's gonna be good. And it's still using coolant, so I don't know where the hell it's going, but I'm going to try and figure that out. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.